Hello and welcome to another update on AVAX. Yeah, the AVAX Avalanche chart is currently in a potential rally here to the upside, in a potential 5-wave move that might be developing. However, as I said to you in the last video update, the move to the upside so far has only been in a 3-wave pattern. Best I can tell, I can't really call this 5 waves up yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's too messy. Okay, so I consider this a 3-wave move up and then maybe a wave 2 correction, but it just doesn't look right at this point. So to really confirm that we've bottomed here on the 22nd of June, I need to see more than that, specifically all 5 waves as highlighted in blue. But please note, I mean, we might never get clean 5 waves. It's an altcoin chart. The pullback was deeper than it would be ideal, even though the bullish structure that has developed from the April low remains valid. Yeah. Quick reminder, the move to the upside starts from the 88.7 retracement. That's from a very deep level. And so far, we have not yet seen a sufficient 5-wave move up that would clearly confirm a low is in. To be honest, the structure that has developed from that low, from the 22nd of June low, is in no way more bullish than what happened up here or here around the 19th of May or the 5th of June, right? 6th of June. It's just too weak. However, that doesn't mean it couldn't turn into something more bullish. We just don't have the confirmation yet, okay? But obviously, as a trader, you don't need confirmation. You just need a clear low and clear risk management levels. And I mean, they have been definitely clearly communicated, especially here. The swing low from the 7th of April has been mentioned before as absolute critical level, as invalidation point. And then obviously also here, the last swing low, the 88.7 Fib level, is obviously a Fibonacci support level that I shared in the last update that I published on X. You might remember if you watched it a few days ago, I published a video update on AVAX on our X profile. By the way, follow us there for additional updates, additional video updates, much more. So that those levels were communicated, and it's not about highlighting we will turn around here. It's more about, look, we have a really decent reward to risk ratio, because even in a more bearish scenario, the rally could be a C wave. So wave A, wave B, potentially a C wave. We'll see if we see the price go higher overall. First of all, we want to see if the market can generate that 5-wave move up. So I think that, to the downside, the levels are very, very clear, especially as long as we're holding the April low. There's still a chance for an upside reversal. I would prefer in this particular microstructure, however, that this swing low really holds. The swing low from here, the 1st of July, the $16.97 level. The next upside levels are $18.50 and then $18.90. Those are the next, let's say, resistance levels, micro resistances that need to be broken. If a low is really in this wave 2, then we can also identify a possible target for an internal third wave, which is at $20.73. First level, 2073, 2121. And obviously, we can see the market go higher overall from there. But I mean, normally I say a third wave should get minimally to the 138% extension. As I said, that's $21.21. And then a higher low in wave 4 and a higher high in wave 5 could take us to $22, maybe even to this green line, which would pretty much align, I think, with a 1.786 extension, yeah, around $22.64. So this gives you at least a roadmap. This is how a 5-wave move up would look like. And when we get all these 5 waves, I can again add the next support area for wave 2, and the invalidation point will shift here to the Sunday, 22nd of June low. Yeah, that's the update on AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. I also invite you to follow us on X for additional updates. I share stuff personally here, but also obviously we share some updates and much more. You'll find the link in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.